Hello everyone, welcome to today's series again of Survival Month. This is going to be day 3, I believe. And what have I got today? Well, I'm cleaning inside my own village, which is Parson Drove. We've got 18 cleans for the day. One of them is a clean from yesterday that we ran out of time to go and do because it got dark. We've had one skip today as well from the messages we sent out, and there's a house we've skipped ourselves as well. And yeah, that's so 18 cleans for today in my village, except for one which is in the village next door, so it's not far away at all, and hopefully we'll get it all done. Because I'm in the village, I'm planning on popping home for me lunch with Matthew, and we've got a clean that we do after their set time. It's a pub, we do the inside, so I like to get there early before people start sitting around. And yeah, join us, see how we get on. Right, I'm in a coldie sack. We've got 8 cleans here. I've just done 2. The one I've videoed, it's a customer who I haven't cleaned for about a year because I've had an extension built on and it's took longer than what was planned, as these things do. And we've just come back to clean the windows for them. So that's why you probably see me scrubbing the windows a bit more than normal, because it's kind of similar to being like a first clean, but some bits are fine and some bits around the back weren't, because it's still like a building site around the back, if you get what I mean, and they're just concerned for my safety. But all done. We're now moving to another part in the cul-de-sac near the bottom, and actually we've got 6 houses all next to each other. The van we have in one spot, and there's a customer there. They're both in their 80s that live there, and they've given my family, we had the biggest Christmas tip, which was £60, so that's a lot of money off them. So what we've done is I've got a bottle of wine, box of chocolates to give them both, and just to say thank you very much, because they know what we do as a family. I put it in a pot, all the Christmas tips. Don't know what you guys do, put it in the comments. But what I do is I just collect all the tips, and then basically Christmas Day I just count it up and then divide it between the 4 of us. So that's Teresa, me, Matthew and Sophie. Anyway, going to get on with these cleans now, see what footage I can get, but it's time to motor. So see how we get on. Okay, it's 12 minutes past 12. We're now heading home. We're gonna have some lunch, refill up the tank and then get going. We've done 9 cleans, just caught up on the one from yesterday. So we've got 9 left to do this afternoon. The wind's getting up and we can still work, but one of the houses we clean is like a farm, so it's a bit exposed. And when it's a bit windy, they normally sort of like say leave it because the windows just get dirty. So I reckon that'll be a no, but we'll try and find out before we go. And yeah, so hopefully the rest of the afternoon will go fine. Plus I've got a lead for another customer in a village near us. So anyway, go home, have me lunch and see how we get on. Hello everyone, it's me again doing it this way on my computer because I work till 5 and it's now too dark to use my action camera. Right, what have we done at the end of today? Well, it's a bit of a manic afternoon. Things went a bit Pete Tong. Some of the customers have got some sad news that they're telling me about. And yeah, it's life, innit? But out of, was it 18 cleans we had for the day, we've done 16. One of them we're doing tomorrow. And the other one is probably just going to stay as not done for now. And the reason is because yesterday I found out from one of the neighbours an ambulance come to the customer's house. So they're in hospital and I don't know anything else about that. So fingers crossed everything's going to be all right there. But I'm sure I'll find out. So that's where I am for today. And out of the 16 I've done, 12 of them have paid, so it's been another good day in terms of being paid on the day as well. So that's all good, especially as I need it at the moment, and long may that continue. But the wind got up today, it got overcast as well, and there's a little bit of light rain towards the very end part of the day, but luckily it didn't go more than that. So as long as the weather stays workable, I should be all right. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll leave video up there for you to like and subscribe and see what tomorrow's video will be. Take care.